Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't even know who this one's from. So, alright, we'll find out together. Thanks so much for supporting me right now, to my patrons. Wow, I messed that up. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I've tried to get that fuzzy off of there in other videos. I need to just do that off camera. Hang on. Yeah, that's the best point of attack. You gotta, sometimes you just have to have tactical knowledge when approaching a box. Okay, we have some stuff in there, and then we have a Purvis. Adam Purvis. I forgot this was coming. I have a terrible memory. Terrible. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to check this out. Hang on, there's no... Hello there, MC. I hope you're doing well. Here's the Adam Purvis Zerks Integral, limited to 200 pieces. I know people are like, God dang it, MC, stop showing us stuff we can't get. Hang on, it's really cool, I promise. I can't have it either, right? It's just somebody else's. I just want to talk about it. M390 hollow ground, full integral titanium handles. Hope that you enjoy your time with her and keep up the good work. And okay, thank you so much. Oh, what? That's this here. Let me give you his Instagram. Hang on. Right there. At digital_guttersnipe on Instagram. Please give him a follow. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily content. Oh boy. Yeah, so if you guys don't know, I'm a huge fan of the Zerks. But this bad boy is all one piece of titanium. Very cool. And check out that new harpoon blade. Oh, I'm so mad I didn't jump on this train. There's so much that I want to buy, and I'm constantly fighting between like holding out and jumping on something in the moment, right? It's just one of those that slipped under my radar. Nice action. I believe, I don't know this for sure. I'm going to hold off on guessing who the OEM is here, because I don't know if it's switched from the last versions, but it feels very good. Absolutely feels very, very similar in overall quality, right? Action's good, detent's good, flipping action's good, right? I'm not the biggest fan of these holes, but I'm not sure that all of these have that same milling pattern. You can count on it reducing the weight a little bit. There's a couple back here. I don't mind this as much, right? I do love the profile, though, and boy, do I like that grind. I'm a big fan of harpoon blades. Sorry, this is clearly a user, right? Yes, people use their expensive knives. Oh my gosh, no way, look at that. Marks on the blade. Yeah, people definitely do use their more expensive knives. I don't think this one's insane, though. If I remember correctly, the price on it was pretty good. Now, speaking on the why do you show us stuff you can't buy thing, actually, I think that Adam Purvis is continuously doing variants of these, and I don't know that this exact variant of integral Zerks is going to be available again, but I'm sure that the Zerks line will continue. Your best bet is to simply follow him. You should have your Instagram on your box. I think it's Adam Purvis Knives or A Purvis Knives or A Purvis Blades, something like that. If you type in APURVIS and then something like Blades or Knives on Instagram, I'm sure that it'll come up. Follow him. Check out his site. It's probably apurvisknives.com or something like that. I just can't remember off the top of my head. Check him out. These are great. You can go back and watch my original review of the Zerks. You can also watch the video where I unboxed my own personal one, which actually ended up being a giveaway knife for one of my milestones. But yeah, this is pretty sweet. I know that there are different variants of this. So, you know, if you're curious, go check out everything there. Gosh, that grind. That's beautiful. Let's take advantage of the 1440 definition here and take a look at this really, really cool grind. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure that it focuses. That's just cool, man. I don't know what my deal is with harpoon blades. If you're watching this right now and you're new to my channel and thinking, what a terrible review. This guy doesn't know anything about this knife. You're right, because it's the first time that I've handled it. I only know the history with the version of the Zerks that I handled. You'll get the full comprehensive review, which will probably be a 20-minute upload here in 2 to 3 weeks after I've had a chance to experience this. Anyways, thank you so much to Digital Guttersnipe for sending this in. I'm very excited about this one. Oh, surprise! Metal Complex is excited because he drinks a bunch of caffeine before every single review. Yep, that's how this channel operates. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.